So I received this special package here, and I'm pretty sure I know what it is. And it came along with a note, so I might as well pull that over. Dear Lewis, at 100,000, we thought, not bad. That's a healthy new channel. At 1 million, we thought, wow, this creator's pretty awesome. But 10 million, at this point, we're actually scratching our heads. How on earth did you do that? 10 million subscribers isn't just a lot of people. It's more than the entire population of New York City. 10 million is a lot. This is a note from Susan, the CEO of YouTube. And inside this box is the diamond play button. That's right, the diamond play button. The peak of all buttons. We even passed 10 million subscribers now at this point, which is crazy. The number keeps growing. You guys keep watching. I'm incredibly grateful, of course. As a little boy, my interest in technology was just an interest, but it continued into adolescence and then adulthood, and somehow that enjoyment, that passion, that interest somehow turned into this right here. You, me, the button, Jack, Will, the whole project. So it only makes sense that we do this together. No matter which stage you came along at, I can say that as of now, I appreciate you being there and taking part and being a part of the ride in general. And what better channel to unbox the diamond play button than Unbox Therapy? So let's do it. Ooh. The first thing I notice is the little cleaning cloth. You gotta keep it polished. There's a key, 2 keys. Oh, for the briefcase, of course. Ooh, wow, it is heavy. Holy, way heavier than I expected. Whoa, look at that. This is solid. Do I need a speech? I don't have a speech prepared here. Who can I thank? I don't know, man. Of course, thank Jack. Where would we be without this camera lens here? Will, don't forget, Will, congratulations on passing 10 million subscribers. Unbox Therapy, okay? You know what? Let's go. Guys, come on, camera. Come on, let's go. Geez, guys, we're trying to celebrate here. Okay, there we are. We got Will, we got Jack. It's the team. Well, we're missing a couple, but we might as well share in the celebration a little bit. Everybody has played a role in this entire endeavor. Of course, you guys as well. I already told you that. Jack, what would you be doing without them? We got to do something here that we all enjoy very much. And I know that's not necessarily the case for everyone that's out there, everyone in the world. Not a lot of people get to focus on something that they're passionate about. I'm out there in the world, I realize it's not that common. And yes, there's a lot of hard work and consistency and so on. We published, I don't know, over 1,000 videos, maybe even 1,500 videos. Like, it is hard work, it is a grind. But at the end of the day, you take a moment, you reach a milestone like this, you hold on to a diamond play button like this, and you just reminisce a little bit. You just realize that you're gracious. You want to put some gratitude out there into the world. We are going to do that actually too. There's a crazy giveaway coming up in order to commemorate this milestone, so definitely stick around for that. So thank you, seriously, from the bottom of my heart and theirs, because they're not going to tell you. The Unbox Therapy family, we are happy to have you. Don't leave us hanging. We need you. All right, much love. 10 million. Here's to the next. Are we going to hit 100 ever?
I think so. Soon.
Here's to the next billion. Later.